So all we're going to want to do to charge our Whoop is you actually need this little charging piece right here, which you can actually charge using a block. You can just plug the USB-C port into the side of the charger like so, and you can basically plug your wall outlet into the wall. Now, typically on average, this thing takes about 30 minutes to charge to fully max, and you can see we can just charge it like so. But if you want to put it on your Whoop, all we need to do is you basically need to make sure that the W is upright. You can see there's a little light on top of this thing, and you basically want to slip it over the top. You cannot put it underneath, so you have to put it top down just like so. And we just need to line up the Whoop as well as the charging port, and you can basically see it will have a perfect fit just on the top like so. So all you need to do is you simply slip it in, and you want to hear it click. You need to push a little bit. You can't do it from the bottom, and you can see the light's actually there and it just vibrated, meaning that it is charging. And if this light is red, this means the charger is actually dead. And all you do to take it off is you do it the same way. You just pull it up from the top, and you can see you've just taken off. And it's actually made so you never have to take this thing off your wrist when you're charging it. So again, all you need to do to charge it is you simply want to slip it over the top like so, and that's all you do. So you never have to take it off, and you can always track your data 24/7.